मैं स्टूडेंट्स आज हम मौजूद हैं रशियन स्टेट लिंग्विस्टिक यूनिवर्सिटी में। आज हमारी मुलाकात यहाँ पर हमारा विजिट था, हम आए थे। तो हमारे साथ जो है वो प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर जो है वो इरिना शोकीना, ही इज़ द हेड ऑफ इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स डिपार्टमेंट and the director of UN language skill training program. So we will discuss about the opportunities for Pakistani students and scholarships, how to take admissions, what are the opportunities this university offers for the students. So first I will discuss about what about the opportunities offer your university for such as Pakistani students if you want to take admission in linguistic any program. So it is easy, it's difficult.
As far as I know, so probably you know there is such organization as Россотрудничество, and which has the Russian house at Karachi, and they give these scholarships for education in Russia at all levels. Undergraduate, master's programs, PhD, postdocs at all levels. And if you apply there at this point in your country, so you apply and you indicate which field you choose. It might be linguistics, social media, sociology, or IT, because we also at our university have IT programs. And whether you know Russian or not is not as important, because we have a pre-university program in Russian language. When you can come to Russia, to our university, and within a year you master the Russian language, and you are able later on to study in Russian in our country, and to go deeper into our country, into our history, mentality, culture, everything.
And if someone don't get the scholarships, you want to come self-basis, and so how to come?
So you may apply at our university, because in summer we have well, that's the period of applications and entering the universities. And even now we are in the process of this, when foreign students also apply, and if they are individual applicants, so you may find out on our site what's the price of education, and it's a very usual way to enter the university. And they give you all the details, what you are to present, which exams to take, and how much it takes.
Thank you so much. Normally, can you tell me about the fees and living costs? Normally, such as
I see. You know, I am not sure now about what's the fee of the whole period of major programs, but I know that this pre-university program, a year program, is 175,000 rubles. So it's very competitive price among other Russian universities. And we have a dormitory for our students, which is 10 minutes walk from our main building, where we are here now. It's in the very heart of Moscow, 10 minutes walk from the Kremlin, and we are very proud of that.
It is difficult for, especially your websites are English or Urdu?
We have it in English as well, but if you apply, I suppose there's applications, and when you enter, you have phone numbers, email address, and you may always write.
Okay, thank you so much, students. Today we met with Irina Shokina. He is the head of International Affairs at Russian State Linguistic University. She told me